If your Samsung TV is stuck on a blue screen, has sound but no picture, or keeps showing blue patches on the display, it can be incredibly frustrating. The good news is this is a fairly common issue, and in many cases, you can fix it yourself at home. In this video, I'll guide you through simple, safe troubleshooting steps that actually work. No tools, no technical skills, and no risky screen repairs needed. To quickly narrow things down, you can even try a simple phone test by recording the screen. If the blue screen shows up in the video, the issue is likely with the TV itself, but if it doesn't, the problem is usually coming from an HDMI cable or external device. Let's start by giving the TV a proper power cycle. Turn it off completely and unplug it from the wall. Then wait about 10 to 30 seconds so temporary software glitches can clear. Plug it back in and turn it on. If the blue screen remains, try a soft reset using the remote by pressing and holding the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the TV restarts. This often fixes minor system bugs. If that didn't help, it's time to rule out connection issues. Check every HDMI cable connected to the TV and make sure nothing is loose, bent, or damaged. Try switching the cable to a different HDMI port or replacing it if possible. You can also go into the TV settings and toggle options like HDMI UHD color or input signal plus off and back on, as these settings can sometimes cause signal problems. After that, disconnect all external devices such as gaming consoles, cable boxes, streaming sticks, and USB drives. Turn the TV on by itself and see if the blue screen disappears. If it does, reconnect each device one by one to identify which one is causing the issue. Next, let's check the software. Go to Settings, open Support, and select Software Update to make sure your TV is running the latest firmware. Updates often fix bugs that affect picture output. If the screen is completely blue and you can't see the menu, don't worry. You can still update using a USB drive. Visit Samsung's official website on a computer. Download the correct firmware for your TV model, copy it to a USB stick, and plug it into the TV. In many cases, the update will start automatically and resolve the problem. While you're in the settings, it's also worth switching between picture modes like Standard, Movie, and Dynamic to see if a corrupted picture profile is causing the blue tint. If the issue is still there, try a deeper reset using the TV's physical buttons. Press and hold the volume and power buttons on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 15 to 20 seconds. On some older models, there may be a small reset button on the back or side of the TV that you can press and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. This will restore the TV to factory settings, so you'll need to set it up again afterward. Be careful not to press on the screen or try opening the TV, as that can cause damage. Finally, if the TV turns on but the screen looks blue tinted, or you can faintly see an image when shining a flashlight on the screen, that's a strong sign of a backlight problem. No reset or setting change will fix that, and it's best not to attempt repairs at home. In this case, a certified technician or Samsung service center is recommended. This video covered all common Samsung TV blue screen issues, including sound with no picture, solid blue screens, and blue spots, and shared safe steps to help fix them. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more simple tech fixes, and share your results or solutions in the comments.